Hey guys, so today I am going to be showing you guys a everyday makeup tutorial for school or work or travel. It is a very easy, quick look to do. There's only one brush, simple, easy, fast, and to make it even better, it's only $18. So you can add a couple of extra things and make it 20 if you want, like an eyeshadow. I didn't do eyeshadow for this. You can add eyeliner, but yeah, so I'm just gonna be jumping into it. Please subscribe before you leave, and let's just get started. So I just thought about it. If you were on the go for travel purposes, Dollar Tree has little like mirrors, like makeup mirrors. The Dollar Tree makeup video, I will link those up in the IO, and you guys can go check that out. I'm using a lot of Dollar Tree products. There's only 2 products I'm using that aren't Dollar Tree, but they actually have some really good makeup. Like their blush and their contour and like simple things like that are just so good. And they even have brushes. I mean, like, they have a good amount of stuff, and it's so cheap, and I wish I knew about it, and I wish I got some of this stuff before when I was younger, because that would have been so much easier to convince my mom to buy me it. But I just wanted to say, I'm not doing it to save money for this video or anything. I actually really recommend these, and I've used a couple of these in my own videos. So this great concealer came out a while ago, and it is a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer, and it is only $5. And they have a great shade range. This is my perfect shade match that I've ever had in a concealer, so I really love this concealer. I did a video with this and the Tarte Shape Tape. I put them to the test to see which one would last better and everything, and this one beat the Tarte Shape Tape. So what I did, I didn't even show it. What I did was I took it out of the concealer, and there's a lot on the top here, and I just scraped the sides off on the side of the concealer bottle, and then I'm just left with a little bit of product, and I'm putting it on any areas where I have blemishes, anywhere I want to cover up. And I'm just gonna go in and blend this with my fingers. Dollar Tree even has like makeup wipes. I wouldn't exactly recommend it for your face, but for your hands, if you are like in travel or something, you could use it on your fingers. Like you could wipe your hands off with that, and it would be really easy. I'm going to now set my face. I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder in the shade Translucent, and this is the only powder that matches me, honestly. You don't have to get the matte and poreless. You can get, they also have the, I think it's dewy and smooth, I think, something like that. Okay, I forgot to do my contour and my highlight before I did my powder, so I recommend doing it before, but it actually works So I used my Wet n Wild blush brush. This you can get at Dollar Tree. These are, I'm using it before I even say anything. These are the LA Colors contour stick, and this one is the highlighting stick. They're so easy because you can just put them on, blend them out with your finger. Definitely do this before powder. It's a very subtle, quick highlight, and then I'm gonna go back with some powder, but if you do this before your makeup, you're gonna wanna powder over everything now. I'm gonna go in with some blush. I'm gonna use my LA Colors Sweet Cheeks blush. No, single blush, and this is in the shade Sweet Cheeks. They have different shades of these you can get, not as bright ones. And it'll give you some color and look really pretty. And after that, you're gonna want to fill in your eyebrows. It is also a Dollar Tree product, so I'm gonna use my LA Colors brow tint, and this one is in the shade medium brown. It's just got a little brush on it. Just brush through your natural hairs. If you don't really care about your brows or want to deal with it, you can skip over it. It's gonna be mascara, so I'm gonna use my e.l.f. eyelash curler. You used to be able to get this for $1. I think now it's like $1 and something cents. But that's not like terribly bad. But you could get one from Dollar Tree. I used a Dollar Tree eyelash color for a really long time. I'm going to add this to my eyelashes. Oh, this is the Wet n Wild Mega Wear mascara, and you can get this at Dollar Tree as well. So yeah, now I'm going to something for lips. I am going to use, you can get these in a pack. This is the Colormates long lasting lipstick, like little set thing. It comes with the lip liner and this lipstick. This one was in the shade, Pink Shimmer. There we go. And the lip liner is really good. I don't recommend putting this all over your lips, the lipstick itself, because it's shimmery. So you'll have shimmer lips. You'll have like sparkly lips, which isn't the cutest thing ever. So I wouldn't recommend using that all over your lips, but use the lip liner all over your lips. Now I'm going in with the lipstick, and I'm just pressing this in the center, and then you want to rub your lips together and kind of blend it in. Just very lightly tap it. Don't swipe it because you'll get too much of it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.